Hey everyone, welcome to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to talk about something which is the talk of the town. This is ChatGPT. Now, we all know that ChatGPT is a model. It is a chatbot, artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI. And what is OpenAI? So, OpenAI is an artificial intelligence and deployment company that helps you in creating human-like content and helps you in generating images. Now, whenever I say that it helps you in generating human-like content, which means that it can actually replace the actual human, and you have to, like all those jobs that you used to do manually, now you can actually do that within seconds with the help of this artificial intelligence application. Now, I am going to tell you how you can integrate ChatGPT with various applications like spreadsheets, emails, or let's say CRMs or social media applications, and you can make your work a lot easier. So, let's see a few examples here. The first one that we have here is how to use ChatGPT to write creative newsletters. So let's say you are in the print industry, or you're into digital industry, or you're just a student who has to write a newsletter. Now, writing a newsletter means that you have to give a lot of time. You have to invest a lot of time. You have to think about it and all. Let's say that there is an application that will generate the entire newsletter for you, and all you have to do is make a little tweaks, and that is it. So yes, what we are going to do here is, let's say that you have a spreadsheet where you have the titles. Every time a new title is added, automatically with the help of ChatGPT, the entire newsletter would be generated, and then you can of course either create a document or update the same sheet with the newsletter. So how can you do this? For this, you will have to integrate these applications, and the same thing can be done using Pabbly Connect software. So here your trigger application will be Google Sheets. Then your first action application will be ChatGPT, with which you are going to generate the newsletter. Then either you can create a document, or you can update the cell value of the same Google Sheet with the generated content. Now let's see another example. So here, how to post on Facebook page every day with ChatGPT. Now let's say that you are an influencer. What is important? That you have to maintain a continuous contact with your followers. How to do that? You will have to keep on posting things, but it is going to eat up a lot of time. Now let's say that you have scheduled the entire thing. You do not have to even go and check if this message has been sent or if the post has been posted. Why? Because here you are going to use a feature by Pabbly which is schedule, so that this workflow that you are creating will be scheduled for a particular day or every day at a particular time. Then with the help of ChatGPT, you would be able to generate the content, and then it would be posted as a post on Facebook or any other social media platform. So you have saved a lot of time, right? How have you done this? By integrating these applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to show you another example. Here we have used ChatGPT to generate social media bio and posts. Now again, if you are an influencer, or you're on LinkedIn or Pinterest or Instagram, what is your objective? Let's say that you want to promote your business there. So you want to keep on contacting your followers. Okay. Now here it is important to keep on posting like different posts, and also if you want to write the bio. Now this is an extremely difficult task. Why? Because when it comes to write about yourself, it is always difficult. But here you don't have to do this yourself. You can generate this. So let's say that here in Google Sheet you have the title with which you want to derive the data. Now with the help of ChatGPT, you have generated the content and you have updated the cell value of the same Google Sheet. Right, so this is really easy when you have to write anything which is going to take time. It can be an essay writing, it can be answers, it can be research, everything. We have another example here where write stories with ChatGPT. Okay, so let's say that even if I'm a teacher, or I am a student, or I am just going to give a presentation and I want certain stories, let's say a motivational story or anything, so that I can have a better contact with my audience. Or you just want to submit it in your school or maybe in college. How would you do that? For this, again, you're using ChatGPT to generate stories. So in your Google Sheet, you have the title of the story, and then with the help of ChatGPT, you will be generating the contact. Then you are creating a document in the name of your story, and then you can share it with anyone you want, or you can just keep it for your follow-up. Then we have generate YouTube scripts. Now if you are a YouTuber, you know this very well that it is very difficult to generate the YouTube script because it is just going to eat up a lot of time. Now scripts are important. Why? Because that is the way you are going to hold your audience. Again, what if like automatically this entire script is generated? How do we do that? With the help of ChatGPT. So here every time a new row is added, like let's say that you have given the title of the script that you wish to generate, then automatically it would be generated and then you will update the cell value in the same sheet. Isn't that awesome? And now the last example that we have here is how to generate email templates with ChatGPT. You want to provide a welcome mail to your new employee, or you want to give a resignation mail, or you want to give an appreciation mail, or anything. Now you don't have to write it. Why? Because you're just going to give the prompt, which means the instruction, and everything will be generated in a Ziffy. And again here in your Google Sheet or any other spreadsheet, you have a new row added as the title of the template. Then here the content would be generated and finally the cell value will be updated. So here I have given you only a few examples how can you use ChatGPT. So it is not for you or me, it is for everyone out there. Now if you want to check out more options, you can visit our website. So we have a lot of videos in our library. Go check that out. Here the best thing is that you can automate and integrate this entire process yourself without having any technical background. How do you do that? For that, check out the description box. You have the workflows there, try them out, and if you get any issue, like if you are stuck anywhere, then we are happy to help. I'm going to come up with more such automations. Till then, take care of yourself. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.